Hello and welcome to Python. This is a choose your own adventure story. It is about two characters from League of Legends, Xayah and Rakan. I do go into a bit of what League of Legends is and a little bit about their background. The story is quite lengthy, but I think that's what makes it really great. There are different options that can steer the story into a different direction. In the beginning, I do have where the user can enter their name. Later, I do want to add a letter and number check error, because right now it doesn't. You can type anything in there and it will continue the program. I do have sleep timers on how long the screen will stay there, as well as when to clear the screen and start the next part of the story. Later, I do want to add if an error does come up when typing in an answer on if you want to try again instead of completely ending the whole program and starting all over. And currently I only have 2 endings for this story. Later I will probably add more, but for right now it is very good. Give it a whirl and let me know what you think.